Hello folks, today we are repotting the typical Cephalotus that I received a couple days ago. I decided to see what the planting media is, and okay, here we go. Looks like it's 100% peat, which is not what I want. So I'm going to just remove all of the peat moss at the bottom. Okay, so just like that, so you all can see. There we go. So what I normally like to do is start the plants in smaller containers, and then as they gradually fill out, I will transplant them into larger and larger containers. Because I don't want using really large parts to start, especially with little plants like this. And because this is a typical Cephalotus, it will form stolons as it's growing. I'm going to remove as much of the soil as I can. And so one thing with allowing the mosses to grow is they have a tendency to create a mat on the surface. So if any stolons or plants try to burst through, they will have a very difficult time. So now that we've cleaned everything up and I removed all the soil from the other container, and I realized in the other container it is just one plant, as you can see over here, and it has multiple growing points. So let me just turn it a little bit here. For the other one, I have 3 separate planets, as you can see over here. Now that we have the plants potted up, go ahead and give it some watering to moisten the soil. And I'll put this into and moisten the soil. And then I will put this under lights, very close to the light source. And keep a close eye on it and make sure that it has sufficient humidity so it doesn't dry out. And that's it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and have a good day.